Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Products. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at our new range of log splitters just so you can see how it operates. So this particular one here is a vertical model. As you can see, it's the HYLS 8000 VE. So V for vertical, E for electric, so runs straight off a 13 amp normal domestic plug. Couple of little features: two-handed operation, all its guards are in place. Now we do need to put all these guards on for your own safety. As you can see today, I'm wearing the appropriate PPE. Don't particularly need the ear defenders as it's not loud, but everything's there to stop you getting hit with a split log. So two-handed operation, so you can't get your hand under it, all that sort of thing. I'll show you that in operation. The other thing is time-saving device. The ram here, as you can see, will lift a lot higher for longer logs. Obviously, what you need to do is set it in a position, perhaps 50 mil above. It depends on the length of log you've got, but 50 mil above your longest log that you're going to be cutting. And then when it retracts away, it won't go so far away, won't take so long to come back down, and just makes a quicker operation. So we'll show you how to set that. The machine switched off. I've got about 50 millimeters gap there. If I just pull this rod up to the top, it will stop, and then lock it with the locking nut here on the side. That will restrict its upward stroke. So when I switch it on, it won't go all the way to the top. If I put that right down, then it would go all the way up by this much more. And obviously during its cycle, that takes longer to work. So the controls couldn't be simpler. On-off switch. I'll switch it on. As you can see, the ram didn't come up any further than that. So if I come around the front now, you've got the grippers here, which you can set for the sort of largest log that you've got. These will swing in and out, but of course you've got defense bars, all that sort of thing. The operation is to push down on the handles. And you can see if I push down on just one, nothing happens. Two-handed operation, and then the machine goes into its cycle and back up again. So that's the operation. Simple as that. So I got my log in position. It's a bit of a wonky one, this. Squeeze in, down we go. And as you can see, the log is split. Obviously I didn't go right down to the bottom, but it's a wonky log as well, and it's not seasoned, so it's difficult to split it properly. It's still wet. Go the other way. There we are, that's a better split. If I go all the way down, you can see it's pushing the side handles apart, right to the bottom. There we are. That's the split log. Well, there we are. It was as simple as that. What I do like about this model is you haven't got to bend over. So if you've got a supply of logs at a nice height, there's no bending over. Split them, throw them into the tray, that sort of thing. So yeah, it's at a nice working height as well. Do like the vertical log splitters. And today we're going to look at this HYLS 5000 HE log splitter. H is horizontal, it's a horizontal one this time. It runs on a 13 amp plug. Normally for operation, we'd put one of these up on a bench somewhere so you haven't got to bend down. But purely for the purposes of demonstration, I've got it here on the floor. And we've got a push button here, and we've got a lever here. We have to operate both, so that keeps your hands out of the equation and no damage of you getting your fingers caught in the machine. So, push the button. If I let go of the button or I let go of the handle, it stops. So that's the operation. You keep going till your log is split, and that's all you need to do. It's very simple. Okay, so very simple to use, as I said. Handle being pushed, button being pushed. Only a small log, that's all I've been supplied with today, but as you can see how effective it is at splitting. And obviously if I was to put another log in there on the place of it, something like that one, I could just keep going. That one's a bit short, but I could keep going and the split logs would fall out at the end of the chute. So as well as the 5-ton version of this, we do have a 7-ton version as well, the HYLS 7000 HE.